A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. It was early in the morning, and Splat was wide awake. Today was his first day at cat school, and his tail wiggled wildly with worry. If I'll hide from the day, maybe it will go away, he thought. But it did not go away. Time to get up, said his mom. Time to get dressed, said his mom. I don't have any clean socks, Mom. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow, instead? Said Splat. You don't wear socks, said his mom. I'm having a bad hair day, Mom. His mom combed his hair. Perfect, she said. Splat, Splat the cat. Don't forget your lunchbox, said his mom. I'll need a friend today, thought Splat. And he dropped his pet mouse, Seymour, into his lunchbox. Time to go, said his mom. The front door won't let me out, Mom. The gate won't let go of my fingers, Mom. The lamppost won't get out of my way. Mom, cried Splat. You can ride your bike if you like, said his mom. So he did. But he did not say a single word. Welcome to cat school, said a big, round cat. I'm Mrs. Wimpy Dimple, your teacher. Spat's mom gave him a hug and said, I'll be back soon. You'll be fine. Everyone, this is Splat. Let's welcome him into our class, said Mrs. Wimpy Dimple. Hi, Splat, shouted the class. Mrs. Wimpy Dimple began. Cats are amazing, she said. We are clever, cunning, and quick. Am I amazing, too? Asked Splat. Yes, you too, said Mrs. Wimpy Dimple. Cats climb trees, drink milk, and chase mice, she continued. Why do we chase mice? Asked Splat. It's what we do, replied Mrs. Wimpy Dimple. But why? Asked Splat. Because. Mrs. Wimpy Dimple sighed. Lunchtime, she announced. Splat opened his lunchbox. Mouse, his classmates cried. The cats did what cats do. Seymour hid behind a glass bottle. And when the cats saw his face through the glass, They screamed and ran away. Seymour did what all mice want to do. "Stop!" cried Splat. Splat. They didn't stop. "Enough," Mrs. Wimpy Dimple said. And it ended. "It's milk time! Hooray!" shouted the class. But the door to the milk cupboard was stuck. "No milk today," announced Mrs. Wimpy Dimple. Just then, Splat whispered into Seymour's ear. Seymour nodded. And then, a moment later, the door swung open. "Yum," said the little cats. Mrs. Wimpy Dimple wrote again on the chalkboard. "Cats don't chase mice." "Hooray!" cheered the class. Soon, it was home time. Splat's mom returned and gave him a big hug. "I've got lots of friends. Cats don't chase mice. I'm amazing," Splat repeated. It was early the next morning, and Splat was wide awake. Today was his second day at cat school, and his tail wiggled wildly. But this time, with lots and lots of excitement.